Got your turtle. Yeah. You playing with your favorite turtle you got from your auntie? Yeah. Yeah. Like, you can't find me, Dad. I'm hiding behind my turtle. Like, I do what I want. Where you going? Like, Dad, I do whatever I want. Whoosh. You got your turtle? Yeah. Is that your favorite turtle? It's from your auntie. She made it. Oh, yeah. Supposedly she's making some more for you. And you can have 4 of them. And they'll be the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yeah. And you'll have so many turtles. And your sister's probably going to steal all of them. Because apparently everything is hers.